Good morning. I'm Colonel Roussionova, Director of Crisis Management and Disaster Response Center of Excellence in Sofia, Bulgaria. First of all, I would like to thank very much to Chief of Defense Office invited Bulgaria to attend this significant conference for Slovenian armed forces. I'm privileged to be here, and I would like to mention a great organization done by the future director of Mountain Warfare Center of Excellence. I'm looking forward for common understanding and very close cooperation working on in the Center of Excellence's network. I do appreciate my presence here, and I really wish very good luck and success of the future Center of Excellence in Slovenia. Thank you very much.
So what did you see?
Absolutely. It's an important part of the future accreditation of the center, because now on the field we can see what these guys can do, what their capabilities, and I'm very interested due to the fact that in Bulgaria we have the same Alpine battalion, which is very focused to the training. Having said that, I would like to mention that it's extremely important for NATO Smart Defense Initiative to keep close cooperation between NATO countries and to combine all our capabilities in different areas.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice time.
You too, Tanya. Thank you very much.